Hi, it's me again with CorelDraw Tips and Tricks. Just a couple hours ago, I did a video on this elephant to make it is still so little that I thought I would go out to the shop tomorrow and cut it out, but I don't want to just cut it out of a piece of wood and just have holes. So I need a boundary around it. And you can see it's not, the weld tool's not up. So if we go to Object Group and ungroup it, as soon as we do that, the boundary tool comes up. I'm going to hit the boundary tool and put a boundary around it. The reason I do that so I can keep my original. And then what I'm going to do is go to Effects and Contour. I'm going to contour to the outside 0.03, which is the distance, maybe a little bit less than what we really have. And I'm going to put a contour around it. And then the easiest thing to do, instead of breaking the contour apart, we just need that shape. We could take the rectangle tool, use the smart fill tool, fill that in. I'm going to nudge that over twice. Then I'm going to use a separate color. You don't have to. I'm going to fill that in, and that's going to be our boundary. So now I can left click, right click, and then nudge that up. And now we have pretty much the boundary is the same, and I kind of like it because it's conforming to the shape of the elephant pretty good. So now all this will cut out. The only problem I kind of see that the tail is going to be a little fragile, but all depending on what they're going to do with it or what I'm going to do with it after I cut it out. So I might make another video tomorrow after I cut this thing out, because we're talking less than 2 inches wide and an inch and a half tall. There's a lot of cuts in there, and I'm real curious if my contour from part one actually would make that good to go. Anyway, I hope that helped just a little bit. Thank you for watching.